Now let's implement API for delete student. Okay, so for that purpose I am using delete mapping. So delete mapping having, we need to get one attribute from this API called ID, because we are using same ID, and it's like find all method kind of thing. So yeah, I am using same method, just copying pasting, lazy thing. So this is same but method name is different. Sorry. So yeah, and it's going to return a string. Okay, so I'm deleting it for now. So what happened, we are fetching the student with that specific ID. If it is not present, it's going to send the exception that student is not present. So what happen if it is present? We have the student and we need to delete it. So again, student repository have the method called delete. Okay, and we need to pass the student. That's it. That's so much easy. Okay, after that you need to return one string which is student deleted successfully. Yeah. So let's run it. Yeah, I'm copying this API here. Instead of find, I am putting it delete. Okay, now just save it and rerun it once again. Again, opening the console, opening the postman, calling the method name delete, and it's a delete method. I'm clearing the console once again. So what I do, I'm going to deleting the third student called Gaurav. Okay, sorry. So I'm going to minimize it, and I'm providing the ID called 3. So it's going to delete student 3. So this is how delete from student where ID is 3. So it's automatically going to delete the specific student and give the message student deleted successfully. Now let's check the database. I'm hitting the query once again, and look at this. The ID 3 is going to delete it from the database. That's how you implement CRUD operation. Thanks for watching.